Hey everybody, it's Ariannitalagringa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach all of you guys phrasal verbs about socializing. And one of the most important phrasal verbs about socializing is hang out. What does to hang out mean? To hang out means to spend a lot of time in a place or with someone. And I'm in the middle of Chicago, I'm all alone, and I want to hang out with my friends. So let me call up my friends, Mateo and Lisana. Hey, Mateo and Lisana, what are you up to today? Do you want to meet up at the Chicago Riverwalk? Okay, nice. I'll see you then. Hey, I'm over here. Hey, Lisana.
Hello.
Hey, Mateo. How have you guys been?
We've been great.
What are your plans for today?
We would like to go to the Trump Tower.
Awesome. Well, let's go check it out.
Let's go.
When you hang out with people, you go to a place. So right now, I'm at Trump Tower on Terrace 16, and I'm hanging out with my friends and enjoying the beautiful city, looking at all of the beautiful buildings and skyscrapers around me. Normally, when you hang out with your friends, you can hang out at a place, and I like to hang out at places that are free. Right now, we're at the Trump Tower, and this terrace is free. But you can also go to different places that are free, like the park, and you can just talk and catch up with your friends. I have a question for both of my friends, Mateo and Lisana. When you guys normally catch up with your friends and hang out with them, do you guys normally go to places that are free, like strolling around a park or walking around the city? Or do you guys normally go to places that are expensive, maybe an expensive restaurant?
Well, we really love free places. We prefer to talk more with friends and spend time in free places rather than spend a lot of money.
Maybe a little coffee, something to eat, but I would say more middle range, not too expensive.
I'm the same. I'm like Mateo. I like to go stroll around the park. I like to walk a lot like you.
Yeah.
So I don't like to spend a lot of money. And then I also do like to spend some money going out to eat, drinking a cup of coffee at a cafe.
I would rather walk 10 kilometers instead of paying $100 for an attraction.
And for my audience, my subscribers, where do you guys normally like to hang out with your friends? Let me know down below. Now, Mateo and Lisana, let's go ahead and stroll around the city because we have a lot to catch up on.
Let's go.
Right now, we're in front of the coffee shop, and I'm with my friend Lisana. And I think a coffee shop is a great way to go and catch up with your friends because you can hang out with them. You can ask them a lot of questions, catch up about their life. I haven't seen my friend Lisana in a while, so I'm going to ask her how her life is in Estonia inside the coffee shop. Also, inside the coffee shop, you can chit-chat with your friends, drink a cup of coffee, and enjoy the environment because it's pretty quiet. Lisana, what's your favorite coffee?
I love a warm cappuccino with oat milk.
Awesome. I think I might order a white chocolate mocha. So let's go ahead and head on over to the coffee shop. Normally, when I invite my friends to hang out with me, I like to treat them with something. So if we go out to drink a cup of coffee, I like to pay for their cup of coffee. But normally, Americans will just pay separately when they pay for their things. So today, I'm going to treat my friends Mateo and Lisana. I'm going to pay for their cup of coffee, and I'm going to ask them some questions about their life because I want to catch up with them and see what they've been up to. What have their lives been up to? Traveling all over the world. Because if you guys haven't seen their YouTube channel, they are both travel vloggers and they go all around the world and they visit different countries, different cities, and I'm sure they have a lot of good stories to tell me. Hey guys! Before continuing the video, I want to emphasize Open English. It is one of the best, if not the best platform to learn English online. I know this because I've been using the platform and I was impressed by how professional they are. I've also seen how many of their students have significantly improved their English in a short time. I personally recommend it since their teachers are native speakers like me, and they have helped me improve my way of teaching English. I have learned a lot from them. They also have very flexible schedules since they have classes 24/7 and you can access them from any device at any time. And best of all, you won't believe it, all of their teachers are native, so you will have the opportunity to practice your English and improve your pronunciation. Trust me, go and click on the link in my description to start becoming more bilingual every day. Don't miss out on it. I just bought my cup of coffee and I gave Lisana a cup of coffee for free because she's my friend. And I also bought us a bundt cake for us to share. Mateo, why didn't you order something?
Because coffee gives me anxiety. anxiety, and I cannot eat chocolate because I am on a diet.
Okay, you're on a diet. You want to cut out the sugar from your
Got the
diet.
sugar, the coffee, and the alcohol as well.
I paid $13.92 for 2 cups of coffee, a small and a medium, and a cake. Do you guys think that's expensive or do you guys think it's cheap? Let me know down below. And I also think that this is a pretty cheap price for me because you can sit down with your friends, hang out with them, chit-chat, and catch up about their life. So I'm going to ask Mateo and Lisana some questions about their life because they are both travel bloggers that travel all around the world. So both of my friends are not from the United States. He's from Argentina. He's Argentinian. Lisana is from Estonia. She's Estonian. I have a question. So I know you guys travel all around the world. Where do you guys live right now?
We actually live in Estonia. This is our place. It's where we have our house.
Do you guys think you'll live there your whole life? Or since you're traveling so much, do you think you'll move to a different place?
We are very spontaneous, so we never know. But right now, it's Estonia.
What country have you guys traveled to lately?
Lately, we've been to... Maybe Lisana remembers more than me.
We went to Japan, United Arab Emirates, and Maldives.
What are your favorite types of food, or what is the best food you've had in these countries or countries in South America?
For me, the best one is ceviche from Peru. And also I love beans, rice, and meat, which is a typical Latin American food.
The most delicious thing recently that I tried was Japanese tomato ramen.
And I know both of you travel around the world and you guys work with YouTube, you guys make videos on YouTube. So what is the best thing about your job?
In my opinion, is that I have a lot of fun. And I do this job because I can have fun.
I love that we have a free schedule, so if I want to wake up at 10 a.m. and start my day later, I can do it. And if I want to start really early, also I can do it.
I feel like with YouTube, you're your own boss. You know, you can wake up when you want to wake up, you can work when you want to work, but you're also having fun and traveling the world. So I think that's such a cool job that you guys have. It's amazing.
Also have the negative sides, like any kind of other job, but we love what we do so far.
What do you think are the negatives to working with social media and online?
I would say that you have to be online the whole time, and then that draws your energy a lot. And also you have to travel from one country to another all the time. And sometimes you want to stay at home and have a normal routine instead of just keep changing the places all the time. That can be really exhausting.
I definitely think it can be exhausting, especially traveling all around the world. You're changing your time. You know, Europe is 6 hours ahead. Here it's a different time. It can be difficult adjusting the time, adjusting to the food if you've never tried the food before. I think it's great that you guys have more positives than negatives about your job because you guys wouldn't be doing it right now.
That's
right?
for sure, yes.
Yeah.
We are very thankful to have this life and job.
I know both of you are so intelligent and you guys speak so many languages. You're from Estonia, you speak Estonian, Spanish, and you also speak English, and you speak Spanish as well, and Portuguese, and English as well. Do you guys think English is necessary to travel all around the world?
I would say that English is not important anymore. I think it's essential. You must speak English, in my opinion. If you speak English, you will open the doors of the world, of the opportunities. And your life, I'm pretty sure, will improve and get better if you speak English.
I think also because it's an international language, and not only it allows you to travel, it allows you to study, to work, and maybe even meet someone.
Now that I have caught up with my great friends, Mateo and Lisana, I'm gonna drink my cup of coffee, she is too, and we're gonna share this bundt cake together. I just got done drinking my cup of coffee with my friends Mateo and Lisana, and I had a great time chit-chatting with them, getting to know them a little bit more and hearing the stories they have from around the world. And later, I'm going to meet up with my friends and hang out with them again. We are going to the NBA game where the Chicago Bulls are going to play against the Brooklyn Nets. Okay guys, I'll meet up with you later and I'll see you then, okay?
All right,
Bye.
see you later. Bye.
My friends just left and I'm all alone right now because they went to explore the city of downtown Chicago because it's their first time here. Also, I told them that I'm going to meet up with them later. What does the phrasal verb meet up mean? That means that I'm going to see them at a specific time or location, and I'm going to meet up with them at the NBA stadium. Also, let me know down below what questions you guys normally ask your friends when you meet up with them. Hey Mateo and Lisana. How are you guys? Good, good.
Great.
What did you guys end up doing while you were in downtown Chicago?
Oh, we walked all around the city. It was super awesome.
Really? Was it cold?
It was pretty cold and windy, but it was okay, not too bad.
What places did you guys go to? What places did you visit?
We went to visit what was the name of the
Navy Pier.
Navy Pier?
Navy Pier,
cool,
yeah,
cool.
that's right.
Well, I'm glad we met up and we're finally at the NBA Stadium. We're gonna watch the Chicago Bulls play basketball. I'm so excited. Let me know down below if you guys in the future want me to go to an NBA stadium and record a video teaching you guys English at a basketball stadium. Go ahead and subscribe to their channel, Mateo and Lisana, because they are travel vloggers and they speak Spanish too. So if you're a Spanish speaker, go ahead and subscribe to them. I'll see you guys next week for the video. Bye!